right, what's up, man? How y'all doing, man? Today is taste test day. Today is taste test day. We about to hit a restaurant. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Y'all know I like to let you know what it is at the end. But I got a question. Why do a lot of y'all men frequent places like McDonald's, Checkers, Burger King, Wendy's? Not saying nothing bad, even though most of them got fake meat. But if you gonna throw your chest out like you a real man, and if you gonna throw your chest out like you a real man, and you trying to do something for your family, whether it's to take them to a nice restaurant, please, I beg you, you gotta come up with more than just McDonald's. You gotta come up with more than just Burger King. You gotta come up with more than just Wendy's. So, I'm finna do a taste test. We on Joe Boy Road. So, once I do this taste test, for all y'all people that's coming from other states, other countries, this gonna be a place, this gonna be another place that you would want to frequent while you down here. Like I say, I'm not gonna do no more videos about McDonald's, about Burger King, because we already know about those. We gonna target the restaurants that really don't get no attention, but they have some of the best food. So like I say once again, we finna go out here, taste some of the fish, fries, and I'm gonna be real with y'all. If the food ain't hitting on nothing, I'm gonna rate the food on the scale of 1 to 10, the fries, the burger, fish, or whatnot, whatever I choose to get. It's gonna go on a scale from 1 to 10. I hate doing videos on the main road, man. There's too many cars driving. All right, y'all. We coming up out of here. We coming up out of here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, look, man. We coming up out of here. Man, look here. If you coming from another state, another country, y'all better come to Jonesboro Road. Real talk. All that McDonald's, Burger King crap. Yeah, I'm not talking bad about them. But look here. This where we at. I'm finna show y'all, man. This where we at. We came to JJ Fish and Chicken. And when I tell you, when them folk gave me my food for like, what, $13, $14? Oh my goodness. Bruh. Fries, coleslaw, chicken wings, fish, fries, drink. Need I say more? When y'all bring y'all country tired asses down from New York, Texas, Florida, wherever the hell you coming from, when you hit Georgia, because I know y'all love Georgia, y'all talk and pop that shit like you don't like Georgia, but you be trying to get down here. When you get down here, because you love this shit, when you find your way in the Atlanta area, make sure you hit Jonesboro Road, JJ Fish and Chicken. Look here, man. Under $15, you gonna get some goddamn food. Real meat. I'm talking about real food. I ain't talking about none of these McDonald, Burger King shit. When you go in there, you gotta look at the meat. You break it open. You break the meat on, it look like rubber sitting on the inside. No. Not none of that, bro. So with that being said, I'm gonna holler at y'all. This is another one of my taste test days. I'm off work, so we getting it in, man. Y'all get out here. Man, when I tell y'all, Lord, how much, man? Like I tell y'all, man, if you coming from New York, if you coming from Texas, if you coming from Florida, man, y'all know what's going on with this GA shit, man. That's why you be trying to get out of here. Y'all ain't tricking me. We might ain't got the best beaches, we might ain't got no beat. But when it comes to strip clubs and restaurants, y'all be trying to get out of here. Let's quit with the bullshit now. Let's quit with the bullshit. Like I tell y'all, when you get out of here, JJ Fish and Chicken, if you're looking for a restaurant where you can taste some southern home cooking to where you gonna get full and you gonna have that grease texture like you want to. You better come to John Boy Road, boy. I ain't lying now. When you come to John Boy Road, it gonna be John Boy Road and damn Cash Memorial Boulevard. It gonna be right on the corner. My first time ever coming in here. I was so damn full, man. If I was still drinking liquor, hard liquor, man, I can drink a gallon right now. No bullshit. Then how we gonna do this now? We ain't gonna be, look here, we gonna cut all this sissy shit out. That's what we gonna do. First and foremost, we gonna cut this sissy shit out now. All this time out, your city better than this city. Why you down here? Hey, you don't like me? You don't like my city? Why you down here? I know why you down here. Cause you love what the fuck going on. So since you love what the fuck going on, nigga, make your way to JJ Fish and Chicken, man. And we gonna leave that at that. I'ma holler at y'all, boy. I'm so damn full. Country down, boy. Even though you in the city, your ass country hell. Traffic.